This video will show you how to download and install ProFile to your computer. To download ProFile, navigate to profile.intuit.ca/download and select the orange Download ProFile button. This requires an active internet connection, and the file size is approximately 2073 megabytes. Once you select Download ProFile, a file will start downloading in your web browser called gpsetup.exe. Please wait until this file is fully downloaded onto your computer. Once the file is downloaded to your computer, you can access it either by the browser download history or by your downloads folder on your computer. Right-click the file and select Run as Administrator and select Yes to allow changes. Once that's done, the Install Shield wizard will begin. Select the language and select OK. And once that's done, we can now select Next, agreeing to the terms of service, and selecting the folder for the software to install into. I recommend keeping this at the default folder of C drive, program files x86, and the ProFile folder. Select Next and Install, and ProFile will start installing. Once the Install Shield wizard is complete, you can select Finish.